Hi, I am Udaychandran. Now I am going to give a brief description about stack-up analysis and as well as the design checks which is involved in the geometric and dimensioning process. So, what is stack-up analysis? Stack-up analysis is nothing but to find out the average tolerance which is involved in the engineering drawings as well as the geometric and dimensioning process. Geometry and dimensioning process is nothing but to defining and communication the engineering drawings as well as the dimensions to the product manufacturers as well as the designers which is involved in the production process. So stack-up analysis generally used to identify the dimension and control the critical assemblies of the dimension and find out the average standard deviation. So this is the general purpose for used for the stack-up analysis. So to find out the assembly tolerance as well as the standard deviation tolerance. So generally this is the formula to use to find out the standard deviations of the geometric and dimensioning process. That is sigma assembly equal to root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus sigma 3 square. Here the sigma that is standard deviation is calculated by means of the assembly tolerance. That is sigma 1 equal to total tolerance divided by 6. So this is generally used to find out the quality as well as the process capability which is involved in the Six Sigma process. So stack-up analysis is used for the find out the average tolerance as well as the process capability of the Six Sigma process and the process capability of the material as well as the process capability of the design. So these are the general purpose used for the stack-up analysis. And this is the graph shows the process capability of the Six Sigma process. Here this is minus 3 sigma, that is lower limit, and this is plus sigma, this is the lower limit. So within this section, this is Cp is nothing but the process capability. So between the minus 3 sigma to plus 3 sigma, the efficiency of the product should be 99.9%. So we can identify whether the design is reliable or whether the design is whether the design should be fulfill the requirement of the customers as well as the voice of the customers. So here the process is to find out the quality of the material as well as the reliability, durability of the material. So the assembly tolerance is greater than equal to the actual assembly tolerance. So we can find out whether the design is reliable or durability or it should be fulfill the voice of the customer as well as the requirements of the customer. This is the small description about stack-up analysis. The next one is design checks. Generally, design checks is verification checks which is involved in the geometric and dimensioning process. And here this is the review scheme of the designing process. So these are the tables involved in the lower side of the drawing sheet that includes the design standards. And the design standards is nothing but given by the designers. And next one is quality of the material. And the next one material type, whether the material is composite or alloy material, and the scale ratio and datum of the datums that is involved in the GD&T process and part name and as well as the designer's name. These are the final data which is involved in the design checks as well as the verification process. So to find out the design checks whether the design should be in the particular manner, that is the inception to the construction. This is the general process to involve in the designing checks. So that's all about the design checks.